Hello and welcome. Today we've got this Procore 18 volt 8 amp battery. Showing no bars. You put it in the charger. Not do anything. If you give it the volt test, it gives you 15.3, 15.4 volts. So it's a bit too low. We could jump start it, but I think I'm going to just get into it and see what is going on. This is the battery open now, so we've got to do a cell bank test. Quickly run down the cells to see. There's this bank's 3.65, 3.9, 4.03, 0, 3.7, and this bank of cells is dead. So I must put a little bit of marker in that to see. That's the dead bank there. So we'll have to deal with the dead bank of cells. This Bosch Procore battery has 10 cells. Like a lot of batteries, these will be 21700 cells and they're 4000 milliampere. So we'll have to get 2 of them. Now this Parkside 8 ampere, that's faulty. That's a faulty Parkside. It's not charging, it's not going. There's something weird going on with the circuit board, but it has good cells. I know this because it's showing a good reasonable voltage coming out the top, showing over 18 volts coming out the top. So that's going to be our donor battery. We're going to pop a couple of cells out of that. If we go down these banks of cells, right, these banks of cells are all very well balanced. They're all sitting at 3.65, so it doesn't matter where I get the cells out of this pack. There were 4000 milliamp 21700 cells, 2 of them. That's just what we need. And let's get down to the business of getting the Bosch ones out. Remove these faulties. We have in our 21740Ts, which is a 4000 milliamp cell. The ones we have out of the Parkside battery obviously aren't the same brand, however they are the same output, so that should be good enough. Tight. We'll just take the insulation off from the way the other ones were. Yeah, that's the way they were. And they go. They're tight. These are proving hard to get in. I've had to go for a very unorthodox method of putting them on. The rubber jaws in the vise and just vise them on. Don't try this at home. With some wheeling and some gnashing of teeth, we have finally got these 2 cells in. We had to take the cover off, as you've seen. And we had to put them in the vise, which I've never had to do before, but you know, there's always a first time. I'm going to put the sides on and give her a touch of charge, and I think that's the next move for me. Yeah. We'll just bang her onto the charger. Yep. See that? We've got a charging light, so we'll have to leave her a little while till she finishes the charging cycle. So here we have a fully charged 8 amp Procore battery now. It's just taking a full charge. You see full bars there now. Next thing to do is test it on a drill. I'm calling that fixed.